What is the best targeting option for you as a dentist, as a massage therapist, as a martial art gym owner, or as a local business owner in general? This is what I'm gonna talk about in this video. You see, when you targeting is a very important aspect of any marketing campaign. Okay, whether it is a traditional channel or through a digital channel. And when I'm talking about traditional channel, I mean radio ads, TV ads, newspaper ads. And digital is Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, all that. Targeting is important. And targeting means, for example, when you do traditional advertising at the TV, you have to think what TV program, during what hours of the day you want your ad to run. Because, and the same goes with a billboard. Let's say billboard as well, right? Where do you want your billboard to be? That's really important. Because if you're advertising, whatever you're advertising, that's where your potential customers, clients, patients have to be in that place. Okay, so this is targeting. If you have your billboard close to a university or in a university campus, well, you better be targeting, or your client avatar better be a university student, and maybe specifically from that university. Okay, so that's what targeting is. And the best type of targeting is something that you cannot do in traditional advertising, but you can in digital advertising. And specifically, I'm talking right now about Facebook ads. Is if you have a list of past patients, past clients, what you can do is take that list and put it into Facebook and say to Facebook, hey, Facebook, find me people who are similar to these ones in this list. And that way, you're making use of Facebook's algorithm, right? Facebook's intelligence. And you say that, okay, I need the people that look like these ones and that also live within this area, right? Because if you're a local business, you most probably are limited geographically, okay, on who you can serve. So you say to Facebook, hey, find me people who are similar to these ones in the list that live within this geographical area. And that, my friend, is the most powerful type of targeting you can do digitally. And why is that? Well, because you want your ads to be seen by people who are most likely to take an action, who are most likely to book an appointment, who are most likely to call your business, who are most likely to fill in a form and become a lead. And the people who are most likely to do that are people who are similar to those who were or are your patients or your customers, your clients. You know, they have the same maybe interests. They care about their oral health, for example, if you're a dentist, they are within the same age group, right? They are the same gender, right? For example, if you're advertising for an MMA gym, most likely most of your clients are guys, are men. And maybe they are even like before, or like between 18 and 35 years of age, right? Probably you don't have that many 65-year-olds in your gym. If that's the case, that's what you're offering. And so you're telling Facebook essentially, hey, find me people who are similar to these ones. And that's the best type of targeting that you can do. That's the best type of targeting that you can do. So instead of you choosing based on interest, based on, sex, based on other things, you just tell Facebook, hey, find me people who are similar to these and that live within this area. So that's the best one. That's the best one. And that can be used in Facebook extremely efficiently.